Welcome, everyone. Welcome, 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 welcome. Okay. Da-da-da-da. All right. I'm gonna grab a drink. Be right back, guys. Good morning, Renwolf. Thank you so much, and good trading to you as well. Wish you all the best. The best in trading and in life as well. How is everybody doing? Listen, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but we got above this 18,121 level, and that's what happens. You just see unusual things. And welcome. Applause for Renwolf. All right. Oh, we have to update the position of the Enterprise. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is just unbelievably crazy. Unbelievable. Russell is going down. Small caps are going down like crazy, right? So this confirms that we have nothing to do here. Are we going to have a sell-off? I don't think so. I don't think so. As far as I can tell, it's too high to go long, and so it's too high to go long, and it's also too high to go short. We made history, guys. This is typically the day that you should not be trading. This is typical session that is just not supposed to trade. All right. We have nothing to do here. I'm not gonna go long. I'm not gonna go short. This is something I'm not really interested right now. Come on. What do you guys think? Okay. Still waiting. Nothing to do here. And by the way, get your 90% sell while you can, because it's gonna end on Saturday. Oh, the doggy is barking. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for too. Let's hope that we have some consolidation soon. I think it will go higher. I think. DX12, hey there. Good morning, good morning. I hope we will have some consolidation. Otherwise, I'm not sure what is going to happen here. The enterprise checked in. So, we had the market structure shift to the downside. I'm not sure. I mean, if you guys want to take a trade, there is your classic YouTube 2022 entry model. Right there. Right there. There it is. You can target the lows here. Okay, now you can enter short if you want to. Hold on. Paper trading connect. Okay, I'm gonna enter into a short. And stop loss is going to be, oh my god, it's too high. At 600. And I'm gonna go with this swing low here, or maybe this. I'm gonna go with this. That's fine. It's only paper trading, guys. That's how the pros are doing it. So paper trading, that's the best. Oh, why should I go? I don't want to go. I don't want to lose the profits from earlier this morning. I'm not going to. That's for sure. All right. But it's so bullish, I think it's gonna go higher. It should be. Yeah. 50,951. What is going on here? Oh yeah, okay. I was misreading something. I was misreading something. What are you guys up to? Let me know. I know it's paper trading, but hey guys, we made profits London, so I don't even know what to do on these levels. This is not my entry model. That's why it's just a paper trading. Because it's a classic YouTube 2022 entry from ICT, so I thought, you know, why not? But yeah. Oh, look at that. We're dropping. Oh no. Oh. Uh-oh. What a sharp drop. Break even already. There you go. Come on. Come on, paper trading account. It's gonna retrace back up there. We missed it. I tried, boys. I really tried. Oh, we did. Nice. Great. Classic entry right there. Let me check. Who is even on? No one. I'm gonna put the enterprise there so we can see it. Okay, so if this went down here, it can take out still this level. And when it does, you know, well, let me check if is Breezy streaming. No, he's not. Damn. All right. Maybe we will have a possible long entry. I don't know. What? About TOPSTEP? TOPSTEP is great. What do you mean? I'm sorry, what does that mean? WYT? I'm with TOPSTEP. Yeah, I have an account with TOPSTEP. I'm funded with TOPSTEP. Roy is nice to see you, by the way, on the stream. I have a funded account with TOPSTEP. TOPSTEP, if you're a brand new customer, you can still get a discount if you use my link, if that's what you're asking. And by the way, welcome to the stream. So, the TOPSTEP account, I withdrew $300, by the way, and I left with $1,000 on the funded account, so that's not a big deal. But I'm not really looking to trade now on the TOPSTEP funded account. I'm focusing on the evaluation accounts on the other prop firms. That's where my focus is right now. But if you're asking what I think about TOPSTEP, I think it's a great firm. But the only problem for me is that you cannot trade more than 2 or 3 micros on the funded account. I don't know. That's you know, I can you know, here you go. Google is your friend. Countries not eligible to trade futures with TOPSTEP. Actually, what I can do for you is I can just go and paste this link here, and you can check it out. That's why I always say Google is our friend. So check out the link and you can check out which countries are restricted at TOPSTEP. TOPSTEP is a great company. I think they're great, but the only problem for me using them, no worries, using them is that you cannot trade more than 2 or 3 micros at the start. You have to scale up. And because I trade micros, I like to trade, if I have 2 positions and I have like 3 or 4 micros on each, I need at least for maybe 8 or 10 or 12 micros at once to be able to trade normally. And I don't really like that. So That's something I mean, I don't like the fact that I'm restricted to trade 2 micros. It's impossible to trade like that, and I don't want to. I don't want myself to be forced into minis. So that's my main problem with TOPSTEP. But the best companies for me, for my kind of trading, is Apex, My Funded Futures, and BULENOX. I do love them. I'm gonna trade from next week with Elite Trader funding and Take Profit Trader 2. I'm gonna build up multiple accounts because that's one of my goals. And let's paper trade a little bit here with micros. Micro. I'm gonna take a trade here when this candle closes, and I am going to take what? Okay. So that's gonna be 2. Alright, so that's my entry, but only for paper trading. Hmm. $80.75. All right. If it gets there. If not, we're just gonna leave it. So that's an entry that I prefer. I'm not in a trade. This is just paper trading. This is just paper trading because I made a nice trade during London. I'm not going to risk it in the New York session. So this is just paper trading, guys. I'm sorry to disappoint anyone, but it is what it is. All right, we're in the trade. $110. Take profit should be up there. Oops, sorry. Take profit should be, well, maybe there. So I'm just gonna put it right there. Hey there, this ain't an Elite Trader funding. What? This ain't an ETF. This isn't the spot market. It's a low float with limited liquidity. They can't play games for long. Sample. What? Okay. Shares never buy options. Retail low floats only. Okay. Oh, well. I guess you're right. Yeah. Yeah. That's definitely correct. That is definitely correct. What a day, guys. We made history making new highs, and now we're just having fun, you know, trading risk-free. This is the best part. I love that. Nothing can ruin our day. So, what can go wrong, right? Let me know what you guys are up to. Are you guys in a trade or not, maybe? Are you guys looking for some particular levels? Oh no. This trade is going south. South. You're in a buy? DX Wealth is in a buy. Well, technically, this criteria fits my entry model. It's not just because it's ICT entry, but this criteria, I'm going to show you guys my futuristic indicators from the future. They approved by NASA. So these indicators are really from the future. All right. In fact, they are so much from the future, it's freezing down my computer, which is great. Okay, so this is my entry on my supersonic futuristic indicators, and as you can see, everything has lined up to enter into a trade. See, basically the same chart. We have everything there, so we are ready to bust this one. But oh no, we're gonna lose. I can't believe this. We're gonna lose a trade. Don't worry, we're not losing. We're always winning, even if we lose. That's gonna be my new motto. We're always winning, even if we lose. I don't understand this. Well, anyway, we do what we can. Let me know what you guys are up to. Are you guys in a trade or something? Okay, by the way, there's still chance to grab your 1-day pass and the 90% sale from Apex, so go grab it. All right, sorry, just the usual phone calls. So this is the trade, and we'll see what's going on. Damn it, I ate all the snacks. Okay. Let's see. What else do we have? No other trades I'm interested in right now. The Russell is, well, it's changing direction slowly. But nothing else. So your country is on the restriction list. Which country is that, Royce? Which country? I'm wondering. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Let's see. Ba-dum-ba-bum. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's see, what do we have? Well, this trade is going to the dumpster, right? I will send you DM on X. All right. Okay. Okay. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's a loss. What the hell is going on? It was a loss. This trade was a loss. I don't know what to do from here. Actually, that's not good news. But, you know how it goes. Thank God it was just paper trading. Otherwise, I would be sitting here like all day. Okay, so now maybe we have a chance on the Russell. Maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Right? We have Starship Enterprise up there. It's gonna go all the way down. Yeah, I think it can. It can actually go down. Relative equal lows. 32 is a good target. If someone wants to jump in. I'm not jumping in. Okay, so now this is a chance to go short if you guys want to go short. I'm not gonna go short, that's for sure. I'm only looking at the Russell now, but nothing else. Actually, it can be still good for a long, but we need a structure shift. If the bullish momentum would continue, I need a structure shift again. Otherwise, I'm not interested. Okay. We're waiting. It's it can be still bullish, but I'm gonna wait. And until we wait, grab your discounts. And by the way, you can join the Discord too. We have a good community, $10 the Discord membership. But we're gonna do webinars for Discord members, exact entry models, educational material, signal room. You know, trying to upgrade it. Only a few people now. We're growing slowly, but consider to join. The link is down there somewhere. So check it out and drop a like. By the way, my entry model indicated an entry here. So if I would have took it, I mean, this was a 2R, 2R, that's 4R. This long here could have been, this was negative 1R. Like that. Negative 1R. Which is totally fine. And so that brings us to a net 3R for the day. Which is still fine. Can't... Oh, maybe... Oh, yeah, maybe because my... hold on. Maybe because... oh, yeah, it is checked everyone. Okay. Okay, now you can, because the DMs were turned off. Now you can. Now you can send. Now you can do so because the messages was turned off. I was wondering why is nobody sends me a message. No one. Actually, I don't really use this platform, but for messaging. But you know, why not? Why not? Now I turned it back, so it seems like I think you are able to send me messages. So you can try again. It was set to no one can message me, but I unclicked it, so now I can receive spam. No, don't worry, I'm just joking. Try it now. Someone comes to my stream might be wondering, what the hell is this spaceship doing up there? Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. All right, going down. Going down. Let's see the Russell. No entry. Da, 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 da. So again, I'm not sure if you were listening. I turned the messages back on, so I think you should be able to send the message now. It was turned off. Messaging was turned off, but I turned it back on. Just saying. Okay. Maybe the Russell. Maybe the Russell will give us something. Maybe. Just maybe. It's still a possibility. All right, guys. Still waiting. Still waiting. Consider consider a cheap upfront cost account with Apex. Guys, the sale is going to end, and last time they did it, it was months ago. So 90% sale is a really, 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 really good one. Okay, now I have some message notification. Okay, then I accepted it. All right, there you go. Hey. Okay, it's working now. Oh man. Okay, let's see. Kid Nash, morning. Still tired. It's hard trading London. Yeah, I know. Don't tell me about it. I know. Trust me. I'm doing it and it's really tiring. I know how it is. We had an awesome trade this morning. This was super awesome. Almost took me out in London. And look at this. Called it very nicely down there. It took me 142 or 44 minutes. More than 2 hours to sit this one out. And there was another entry based on my entry model. So it was 2R, 4R, there is a loss here that's negative 1R. That's still a net 3R. So if someone would have taken every trade based on the entry model I preach, today would have netted at least 3R. Because I always try to go for the 1 to 2, of course, as you guys know it. So despite that this was a loss, it was still good. Thank goodness the course is broken, Tom. What? The curse is broken. Oh, of course. The curse. I can't speak English, so that is another thing. If I'm tired, I just can't read and I can't speak English. Sorry about that. My English vocabulary starts to shrink when I'm getting tired, so I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Yeah, the curse is broken because, you know, this one was a real savior. This one was. So after I made this trade, I haven't taken any trades since then, but I'm modeling the trades. I'm paper trading them. So this was a nice trade. This was a loss. Yeah. So you know, that's also like a tip for anyone, even beginner or advanced. If you're advanced, anyway, if you're trading on Friday, and it always works for me. So golden nugget here, just, you know, put it away. Tip of the day: if it's Friday, I have a hard enough time chatting and seeing comments. Yeah, I know what it. I agree. So here is the tip of the day, and it's I dedicate it to you, Kid Nash. If it's Friday and you start the day off, for example, in London with a 2R trade, or even in New York with a 2R trade, consider to stop for the whole day. You made 2R. You don't want to give it back to the market. Yes, you can do a second trade with 2R. Yes, correct. But if you want to have a good weekend mentally, if you want to go to the weekend with a good mindset, and you made a 2R trade, your first trade was a 2R, stop for the day. You're going to have an awesome day, an awesome weekend. I promise you that. I promise you're going to have, yeah, trust me on this one. I'm really saying it from the bottom of my heart. If you made a 2R trade on your first trade on a Friday, then that's it. You can trade if you want to on a demo account, or just buy another eval account that is dedicated for fooling around. You know, you can do that. But for your accounts that you are focusing on and which you are trading on seriously for your business, for your income, if you made a trade for 2R whenever, then stop for the day. That's it. You're finished for the day, and you can fool around on a demo or some other account. But that's it. And you're going to feel much, I promise you, it's going to be absolutely fine. That's why I'm so I mean, I'm in a good mood, because I was having losses all London sessions in the week, and I was digging myself out of the hole every day. I spent my whole day digging myself out of the hole, and it was so frustrating, and I was so tired, and I am not going to give $1 single back to the market. That's it. So I'm fooling around with paper trading. Actually, not fooling around. I'm taking the trade entries seriously. I'm forward testing basically the system. That's what I'm doing. I'm still working on the system. I'm forward testing it. So it's still a job for me, even though I'm not taking it on an evaluation or funded account. Taking this on a demo or paper trading account, I'm measuring the results and forward testing the system. So I'm still working right now. It's still a job to do, and I love this. I love to do this. I really love. So anyway, that was the tip of the day. Some wisdom, you know how it is. You know how it is. Bum bum. All right. What do we have? What do we have? So what are you guys up to? Tom, did you say you may be giving some free stuff? Yeah, possibly. I have to. I don't know how I'm doing it. Maybe I'm going to do a evaluation account giveaway. For example, I'm thinking on a 50K account, which would be maybe a BULENOX or Apex account. I'm still thinking. So no. No, you weren't. I was. So it might be. I was thinking on maybe a Discord membership or maybe a evaluation account or something like that next week during the live streams. So we did that once before, and it was fun, really. So yeah, I'm just not sure. Maybe not Monday, but next week sometime. Tuesday, Wednesday, between Tuesday and Thursday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm thinking to do an evaluation account and or a Discord membership, maybe. I was thinking about the mini course as well. It's registered to Teachable, but I don't know how can I add a coupon to that, but I will look into that. Anyway, I will think of something. You know, it's gonna be fine. We're gonna have a little bit of a play there, and I think since I'm not like a big streamer and anything, I don't have a big following. You know, anybody should be having a good chance to win something. Why not? You know, why not? A little bit more engagement with the community, and that's it. Don't worry about that, Kid Nash. I will notify everyone on time. So I'm not gonna do it like okay, let's do a giveaway now. No, I'm gonna notify like at least 1 or 2 days before. Like, okay, guys, we're gonna do it like tomorrow, New York session, or whenever. You know, you guys will decide which time will be optimal for everyone to be around, and you know, we do some votes, and it's gonna be announced at least 1 day before. Okay, no promises, of course, but I will announce it 1 day before, and it will be cool. It will be awesome. Look at that. Russell is going up. Nice. And look at the NQ. NQ is going lower. That is interesting. NQ is going lower. Okay, shifted structure. That's interesting. That's interesting. Can't believe how nice Hungary is. Hey, I mean, I'm flattered by it. Yeah, it's a great place. We have good history. I always say like I'm not really into politics. I mean, I know what's happening, but right now the political situation in Hungary is very, very bad, I should say so. But unfortunately, and I don't want YouTube to flag this out, our leaders in Hungary, the political leaders, are crooks. But the people here are good. Really, Hungarians are good people. we like to accommodate people here in our country. So that's it. We have good food, good kitchen, nice places to see. So anytime, let me know if you're coming. I'm gonna accommodate you a good place. All right. Let's see. Fair value gap there. That's interesting. Although, well, maybe we can have a pullback here. We can have a pullback. Maybe. I'm gonna check the futuristic indicators from the future. So today, by the way, the all the accounts are up. So I made over, it has to be over $300, $350 or $60 at least. But it's fine for me. Only micros. I don't care. I don't care how much time it takes. I'm gonna take it slowly or not. You know, again, if someone wants to just get on with the evaluation, you can YOLO it. I'm not saying don't. Absolutely do not. You can do it if you know your risk. If you know how much you can risk on evaluations, then of course you can try it. So now it seems like we're gonna get an entry, maybe, in this level. Not sure. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, I'm not entering to this one because we're pretty much oversold by the RSI. Even if it drops, I want to see a steeper retracement to the upside. Thank you. Thank you, Kid Nash. Thank you. So all right. Still nothing. Still nothing here. Maverick is here. Hey, man. Everything's fine. We had an awesome day. I had a beautiful trade in the London session, and I stopped trading after that on my eval accounts. But I modeled down my entries on demo account, paper traded. This one is a 2R again. This one was a loss, and this one is not an entry yet. So this is not an entry because I still need more retracement than this one before going into the downside. So I'm not interested to trade this right here. All futures prop firm ban your country. No way. Which country is that? Which country? Because I don't know, because there must be some prop firms that are operating with other countries. I don't know which country is that. There are a lot of countries that are banned by a lot of prop firms, but most likely US traders, the United States and the European Union countries are most likely all right. But I'm gonna check something on that link that I showed you. So ABC. Interesting, because Romania is European Union and it's still banned. Country is not eligible to trade futures with TOPSTEP. Hungary is not amongst them, but Ukraine, I don't understand why Ukraine. I mean, of course I understand, but I don't understand Romania. What is the problem with Romania? I have no idea. Indonesia. I mean, Ecuador, Cuba, Belarus, Central Congo, Venezuela, I understand, but Sri Lanka, Sudan, Somalia, Serbia, I don't even understand. Okay. Croatia, why is Croatia banned? I don't know why. I don't know why. No idea. No idea. So, yeah. I don't know if there's a way around it. Let me check if there are some prop firms. Oops, sorry. Just a quickie phone call. Sorry. Okay, sorry, I was just a quick phone call. Yeah, which country is that? Roix. You can tell us, you know, it's a secret. For example, if you want to trade with Funded Next, for example, Funded Next is a MetaTrader prop firm, and for now, Funded Next says Bangladesh, North Korea, Syria, and the United States are not accessible, but otherwise, every other country is accessible to Funded Next. I'm not sure if you know them or not, but Funded Next is like a well, not saying trustworthy, because which prop firm is trustworthy? No one knows, but it's among the big ones. So I think you should not be having any problems with them. So Iran either, yeah. Iran, yeah. But I guess, for example, the futures prop firms that are based in the U.S. are very much regulated by the CFTC, so they have to obey the rules. And I still don't know why they are restricting so many countries, but interesting. Okay, we're going down back to the 18,000. Indonesia. Well, for example, at Funded Next, you can trade from Indonesia. So there you go. Go with Funded Next. You should be fine. Funded Next, I think they can have an account with you. You can go with 6K, 15K, 25K, $60, $120. So not that bad. They have discounts as well. So go try Funded Next, because they are based in Dubai and they're not that regulated, but they're still trustworthy and they're pretty big. They're a very big company. So they also have CFDs. I know it's not futures, but it's CFDs, so you can still trade with them. Is dodgy? Okay. Okay. Well, every prop firm has their shady business in the background. They don't want you to succeed in trading, that's for sure. Fivers, for example, yeah, Fivers or FTMO, yeah, Fivers. Yeah. List of countries allowed as a part of. Okay, Serbia. I don't understand, for example, I don't understand, for example, my funded futures. Why is my funded futures banning Slovenia, for example? I think they shouldn't ban them. I mean, I understand Russia or Vietnam or whatever. Or I don't know, Afghanistan. So I understand them. But for example, this is an interesting list. Every country here I understand. I don't understand Iceland as well, but anyway. Iran, Iraq, even Jamaica I don't understand. North Korea I understand. But I don't understand Slovenia. Slovenia is here in the Union. Hold on. Slovenia is... Yeah. So since 2004, I just wondering, since 2004 Slovenia is in the European Union and it's still banned by my funded futures. Interesting. I don't know. Even funded trading plus are good. Please, you need to move out of there. What's wrong with my country? No, I mean, to get TOPSTEP, yeah. Hold on, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Don't go anywhere. Push the like and subscribe. I'm here, guys. I'm here. I'm just eating. All right. Let's see. What do we have? This one is dropping like crazy. Russell is dropping like crazy. No clear trend for now. And we're getting closer to lunch hour. All right. The 5-minute looks bearish on the Russell. Okay, nothing there. I'm still waiting for a proper retracement on Nasdaq. 1 hour. What is this? What is that? Oh my god, I still left this on. I have to delete all this crap. I'm deleting that. Sell side is... I'm gonna tell you where we're going. I might going to put it official. 857. That's where we're going, guys. 857. That could be the final target for today if this is a sell-off. That could be the final destination. If, again, if this is a sell-off or the start of a sell-off. So if I go to the 15-minute, yeah. So if I see a nice retracement up there with the structure shift again to the downside, that's tempting. That should be tempting. Look at this. If we look to the left and we just look yesterday, beautiful. This is beautiful, beautiful places here to look for liquidity. All right, I'm going to make it official. I'm going to call it out officially. 857. 857. 857 is my official call. 857. I don't know if it's gonna happen right now or we're gonna have to wait all the way. It can happen all the way here at the PM session. But my official call is 857. That's where we're going. That's where we're going. Impossible to say how long is it gonna take. It can take for 2 or 3 hours, but we're going there. Almost sure about that, guys. Almost. Actually, I'm gonna take a short here on paper. It's a personal guarantee, Maverick. Yes, yes, yes. Let me state that again. Personalized guarantee of seal. Okay. 857. There. Make it 58. No, just to make sure. 858. There you go. Official. Hold on. Okay. Mm-hmm. I need a stamp. Okay. TVNT. TVNT. All right. TVT. All right. Almost ready. There you go. That's a guarantee right there. 100% guarantee. There you have it. It's personalized guarantee. What have I done? What have I done? There you go. That's where we're going. I have to tell Methodical Man. He's gonna be on and off. I told you guys. I told you guys. I told you. We're gonna go there. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna go there, guys. The good thing is that if I... Alright, I just nickel and dime myself into blowing up. Oh! First of all, I was right about... You were right about... Come on, man. And still accumulated losses. No way, dude. It's the worst thing that when you are right and and you still end up with the losses. Oh man, that sucks. That's not so good. That's not good. That's absolutely not good. But hey, the good thing is there's always a tomorrow, and you can you know, you just have to reassess and you can go again. You can do it because as long as we are here and not giving up, we can do it. Oh my god, I can't use this stamp. I should write satisfaction guarantee. Yeah, feeling the pain and using to enforce. There you go. There you go. That's the spirit. If you use that pain and burn it in your head, you know, you will know next time that you don't want to feel the same pain, and you're going to do better. Trust me. I've been there, done that. Still until today I run into the same error, but today I'm doing it, I mean, not that often, much less, and nobody is perfect because we are all human, but it's going to affect your subconscious and you're not going to do that same mistake. So embrace that, and it's gonna, you know, it's going to do you good. Trust me. But I know how it is. Anyway, just, you know, have to stay optimistic and be ready for the next one, because the next trade is on the corner and the next one is going to be a better one. Even if you lose the next one, it's going to be a better trade because you will have much more knowledge. All right. Debating, dusting off my chaps and climbing back to the horse today. There you go. Or wait. Yeah, you know what? If I were you, I might wait for until Monday. Two reasons for that. One reason is if you climb back on the horse with another account in today's session, and you might be losing again, and that's going to push you a little deeper in your pain, and then you should avoid that. You don't want to risk more emotional pain, right? So yeah, so just don't risk it. And also, you should use this as an experience to learn from it, and you should, you know, recharge on the weekend. You don't need more pain, so just let it go. Just, you know, use a demo account or a practice account, whatever, paper trading, and, you know, fool around, do what you like to. Even if you use a demo account and enter a trade what you think, it should be okay. If you win that trade, you might be feeling a FOMO, but you should be thinking that, okay, your entry model works. You should not think of it as a FOMO. You should think of it like a reassuring yourself that, hey, I know what I'm doing. It seems like it's working. I'm going to take this demo win as a confirmation that I know what I'm doing. And if you lose, then you also win on the demo account because you didn't lose actual profits from an eval or whatever. And it's not going to affect your weekend. So if I say play with the demo account at times like this, I'm not saying do crazy trades. Execute the trade as you would do it on normal conditions. I mean, on a real account, and you can still learn from it. But it's Friday, so yeah. So be, you know, just chill. That's all you have to do. That's all you have. You'll be fine. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. You'll be absolutely fine. Nothing is going to change until next week. The markets are going to be here. You will be able to trade. Everything will be fine. Trust me. So it will be all right. We are so going down. We are so gonna go down here. 87. We're gonna dump 30 points like crazy. Trust me, it's gonna dump so hard. You're gonna be amazed. All right. Still not dropping, but it will. Should be going, should be going. So thank you so much if you're subscribing or pushing the like button. I really appreciate it. And grab your accounts, guys, with Apex, because the sale is still on, and I don't even know when it was the last time. It was in November maybe. So the best and the cheapest upfront cost for evaluation accounts. Grab your Apex code. Use my links first. That's how it goes. First click on the link and then use the code. So yeah, back to 18K. You can also check out the other ones. If you're brand new with TOPSTEP, you can have a 20% discount if you register with a new account. It's a 20% discount. Also 24% discount for a brand new customer at My Funded Futures. But what else we have? We have BULENOX, also a very good sale. Upfront cost is the cheapest, but Apex is the big shot now. So grab your codes. Also, you can check out my Discord. It's $10 a month, and there is a small mini course at pip.ninja about my exact entry model. It's $49. It helps out the stream, the journey, and you get lifetime access to the Discord, the signals, the trade entries, trading journals, everything. All right, so that's the business side. So I'm looking for a drop. This retracement is perfectly fine with me. I'm looking for a drop down again. Let's see, what do we have here? And by the way, thanks for sticking with me here. Don't really have much yet, but I'm gonna let you guys know if a trade comes into play. That's for sure. Some birds are outside the window like crazy. Waiting on my account data to reset, and I only trade Sim 101 on your good advice. One good thing today is I know I wasn't just mugged. I know where I made my errors. That's it. There you go. You know where you did the error, and that really counts. If that's why if you write a trading journal, or I know some people are having journals, some people don't, but if you know Where was your error? What mistake you made? I mean, in many cases, traders realize, I realize too, when I'm having a bad day, when I screw things up, when things are getting screwed up, or if I'm having a larger loss than what I should be having, 99% of the case, it was me who screwed things up. It was not the market. It was not my entry model. So that's why I'm sure that I have a very good edge. It was not my entry model, it was me. I was the one who were over trading, over risking, or doing stupid trades. If you trust your edge, you're going to have to execute it. Whatever means necessary. And there's a saying I just posted yesterday. If you win, you'll think you're right. If you lose, you'll think you're wrong. In either case, you will be setting yourself up to make a trading error on the next trade. That's crazy, right? So let me say it again. If you win, you'll think you're right. If you lose, you'll think you're wrong. In either case, you will be setting yourself up to make a trading error on the next trade. So, execute your edge. Do not think. If you trust your system and if you can handle risk, if you have a tight risk management, you have to execute. If you win, great, who cares? If you lose, great, who cares? Who cares if you win? Who cares if you lose? You're just executing. That's your job, to push the button when you see your system. That's it. That's what you have to do. Hello, Teacher FX. Hey there. Thanks for the words. Nice to see you, man. Oh, guys. Good to see everyone. Good to see Hello, Teacher FX as well. And applause for everyone who's here. I know I put out this stamp here. A little fooling around. I feel like... so my bias for this is... excellent insight. Yeah, it's from Mark Douglas, so I'm not the one who came out with this, but you know, I'm going with this view, if I may say so. So you have to view the markets like this. I know, for example, Lulefishk, I know, I mean, I believe, but I know you have an edge. I believe that you have an edge in your hand. You have a system. Every one of us has a system. If you already put in so much energy and money into the trading, you should be having a system in your hand, which is proven to be working, right? Okay, so that's a fact. Second fact is, you know, risk management. You know how much money you should be risking, stuff like that, you know. And that's it. We cannot control the market. You just have to execute. And do not care about the outcome. I know that's the hardest part. And if you win, do not celebrate. Do not pull up your pants and fire rockets or something, you know. Just don't celebrate your winners. And don't care about your losses. Just exit. I think there's a great truth in the who said it? I think it was also Mark Douglas in a workshop, that, and also ICT said it too. I know he said it, that when you're executing a trade, and if you're winning, especially when you're winning, because if someone is winning constantly, you're on a winning streak, the ego strikes in, right? You're getting more and more ego. You're getting more confident, like, oh yeah, I'm this good. I'm having like 5 winners in a row. I'm the best in the market, right? This only works if you have a defined edge. If you're trading on discretion. Oh yeah. Oh, Maverick, you deserve an applause. That's the missing piece, guys. What just Maverick said. It only works. This whole preach that I just said, what I was preaching, it only works when you have a defined edge. If you back tested your system, forward tested your system, you have data, and not just 1 week of data, months or years of data. You have at least a year of data and backtest and forward test and experience. You have a defined model and edge. Then, but if someone is a discretionary trader, for example, no, I'm not going to tell names, but I know people on the YouTube space who are discretionary traders. If you're a discretionary trader, it is going to be super hard to move forward. You can do it, but it's gonna be, you're gonna need extreme mental strength, you know, because as a discretionary trader, you're just gonna push the button on your feeling. We were talking about Methodical Man, of course. Yeah, Methodical. I'm talking about Methodical Man, and I'm glad that you came here, you know, because I was not talking about Methodical Man, guys. Methodical Man has strategy. Before somebody would take me seriously on the situation, Methodical Man has a defined edge, and he's the one who's trading more than 200 funded accounts, not me. So he knows it. He has an edge. By the way, Methodical Man, I don't know if you see here, you know, there. Just check that out, you know. Check it out. So, there you have it. Personalized guarantee of seal. I'm gonna pay in Monopoly money. We have the personal guarantee on that. All right. There, yeah, I know. I had to put that on because all I said is I need time until market close. So until 4 p.m. I have time until 4 p.m. Right? Okay. So I'm gonna put a vertical line here. 4 p.m. That's my personalized guarantee. 17,858. Yeah, 1 million Hungarian forint is, well, I guess you can buy yourself a, I don't know, a car from the junkyard. But yeah, you can. So yeah. I just had to put it out there. I can't help myself. It's gonna happen, guys. It's going to happen. It's so far, it's 150 points away. I don't think we're gonna get there. Yeah, 2,700-ish US dollar. Yeah, you can buy quite a few things actually from $2,700. For example, a one-way plane ticket to Afghanistan or something. I don't know. I know, I'm just joking around. I'm joking. Guys, maybe I made a risky promise here with the 858, but you know. Yeah. If you lose a trade, you blame yourself, and if you miss out a winner, you blame yourself too. Yeah, that's discretionary trading. If you have a defined edge, and if you lose a trade, you're gonna be completely fine. You have to be neutral. So if you have a winning streak for 5 winners or whatever, you're gonna be like going out to the street and, hey guys, I'm the best trader in the world. No, you should be treating your winners like, you know, buying milk in the grocery shop. So nothing extra. I just won 5 trades in a row. Who the heck cares? I don't care. And if you lose, who the heck? I know I have an edge. If I lose 5 trades in a row, every system has it in. Guys, whatever system you use, every single trading system has the possibility to lose 5, 6, even 8 or 10 trades in a row. What are you going to do? Well, if you lose more than 10 trades in a row, then you definitely have to rethink some minor setups, you know. But still, you have to behave after 5 losses in a row, after 6 losses, and you have to know. Yeah, definitely you have to be a defined edge, not merely being committed. Yeah, there you go. And there's something, if you trade different entry models at the same time, so that's a different thing. Maverick, I was totally doing that myself earlier this morning, completely blaming myself. Yeah, very difficult to handle emotions. So let me just state this. Entry models, very important, guys, very, very important. How many entry models you use? Because ICT has like 85 entry models, right? He always saying he has like more than 80 entry models. Guys, even if you're using two entry models, guys, very important. I'm gonna repeat it 5 more times. If you're using more than one entry model in the same session on the same market, think about it. You're going to double your risk. You're doubling up your risk, because one model is delivering the edge that you are calculated it to deliver. For example, I'm executing my trend following method in the past couple of days, in the past 2 weeks, which I'm documenting on YouTube. Yeah, that's crazy, I know. So, which I'm documenting on YouTube. I'm only executing my trend following entry model. I am not executing the classic ICT entry model at the same time, or I'm not executing the order block entry at the same time. If I would do that, I would be executing 2 or 3 models at the same time, which would expose my account into 2 times or 3 times the risk. Hey there, Lofta. So only trade one entry model. You can still analyze the market, you can still analyze market structure, fair value gaps, you can still see the fair value gaps, you can still see the order blocks, you can still see support and resistance, trend lines, whatever. But only go with one entry model. That's what I think. If you're using more than one entry model, don't forget it. You are doubling your risk. You are doubling your risk because one entry model is providing profit on the same session, and you take another entry with the different entry model, which is losing on that specific setup. So you're basically just flatlining out your profits. It's or maybe you have opposite signals. You're going to have quite the opposite entry signals. And that is when your brain is going to get washed up. You know, one model is telling you to go short, and the other model is going to telling you to go long. And you take both of those models, and maybe you're going to lose both of the trades, and then you're messed up totally. So only go with one entry model, and that's it. One entry model. And if you're already super bored with the entry model after months or years of results, then you should be implementing a second model next to your first model. But again, that doesn't mean you cannot acknowledge a certain fair value gap or a certain order block or a certain trend line or a supply or demand level, whatever you like to choose. But the entry model should be staying the same. The one entry model, only one. There can be only one, you know. As the Highlander, as they said in the Highlander. No, you're just being sarcastic there, little fish. I know you. I know you did. You're smarter than that. You did. I may recall the easy momentum wave trade now. The action is too much like, yeah. There are so many models, guys, and that's how I was making more and more mistakes, because even last year, I was trying to use at least 2 or 3 entry models in every session, and yes, I had some winning days, and overall I was at least on break even, but it was messing up my mind totally. So the best results came since I'm only narrowed down to one model, and that's it. That's what I'm following, and I know I have an edge. I have an edge. But I also know that if I follow my edge, I'm going to have 4, 5, even 6 stop losses in a row. I know that. I know it's in the cards pretty much that I can have 4 or 5 losses in a row. And then I have to behave. So just look at the entry models like that. If you're using more, I was actually trying to use a silver bullet entry with the institutional order for entry feed as backup line with silver bullet direction in case I missed the perfect. yeah. My plan for now is to only trade 1 hour and 4 hour fair value gaps, and then I only allow myself enter 1 per fair value gap. Then I use whichever entry. That's a good strategy. I tried that in 2022 with FTMO accounts, and I tried the 4 hour and the 1 hour charts. It was good. I made it through challenge accounts with trading the 4 hour and the 1 hour. I was having on average 1 trade per day or 1 trade for 2 days. And I was having a swing account, and I was holding trades overnight as well. It was a little bit slow for me because I was looking for the perfect setup. But maybe I will return to higher time frames. That's a completely different method, I think. You have to look the markets a little bit differently. You went okay. Oh, all right. You enter on the lower. You just okay. I get it. Okay, so you're watching the higher time frames, and you only enter at the specific area on the lower time frame. All right, I get it. I completely get it. You just look for entries. Okay. You go subatomic, and then you enter. I get it. All right. We are so going to have an entry soon. We're gonna have a drop. Trust me, we're gonna have a drop below here, and we're gonna tank like crazy, going all the way down. That's what's gonna happen. We're gonna make a structure shift. It's not a shift. It's a confirmation in the short structure, and boom, we're gonna go down. I was a little bit I was a little bit crazy when I called out this number 17,858, but yeah, well, I cannot undo this. Well, if I delete the stream, maybe if I delete the VOD, nobody would know, right? So if I delete this, nobody would remember that I did this. It's gonna be fine. If this one doesn't play out, I'm just going to delete the stream, and that's it. All screenshots are going to be considered photoshopped, so I don't care about that. Oh no, I'm gonna lose this. I'm gonna lose this bet. I wanted to see a structure shift down. It's not happening yet. So guys, stack up these accounts. Even if you blow them, even if you blow these accounts, you're gonna get rebuilt with an 80% discount for next month. So that's why I would just leave them. Not looking good. Not looking good. Not looking good. Maybe I'm just gonna do a recording here. How much profit? How much profit did I make on the accounts? I have to calculate some profits. Why not do two things at the same time, right? Two birds with one stone. Let's see. Okay. Okay. All right. And we have one more. All right. I'm just calculating, guys. Don't worry about me. Okay. I'm gonna do the YouTube video with you guys live. I mean, the daily report. I'm gonna do the daily report with you guys. All right. So let me read this out loud. Had an awesome day today and made $362 across the evaluation accounts. And all of this is because this London low here, I mean London short trade here, which we were reaching for the lows at 18,000, and I was holding this trade for 100 I think 146 minutes, so almost took me out. It was crazy. So after that I thought finally the curse has been lifted, and the first trade got us into a decent profit on a Friday, so I'm very glad about that. The rest of the day I was just paper trading. This was a paper trade with 2R, so the system worked good. Then we had a loss, and now I'm just fooling around. Live stream, guaranteeing this level 17,858. Not sure, of course, what's gonna happen, but no other trade has been made. I didn't trade the Russell today because I wanted to lower the risk. But anyway, here is the account details, how I did today. The BULENOX account ended up from 674 to 795, which is $121. The my funded futures eval went up to $951, and the Apex account went up to from 904 to $1,025. So overall, I'm very happy with the trade for a Friday. It's very, very good. So if you're curious about my entry model, check out pip.ninja and subscribe to the stream. And I'm going to be continuing to stream next week as well. So it was a great week. We're going to do a recap. See you guys on next week. Okay, so I just recorded my daily recap video. Daily recap video has been recorded. Doing okay, Kid Nash. Doing okay. How you doing? How you doing? I just recorded live my daily recap video. I put it out here. A personalized guarantee 17,858, but it's gonna be it's gonna be a little bit crazy there. How you doing, Kid Nash? How things are going? Okay. Get some rest this weekend, Tom. Yeah, feeling better. Nice, nice. Last week was too. Yeah, I think we all need to recharge over the weekend. So yeah, definitely have to recharge the batteries. Definitely have to recharge. But it was definitely an interesting week. Let me check my recording. Is it good? An awesome day today and made $362 across the evaluation accounts. And all of this is because this London low here, London short trade here, which we were reaching for the lows at 18,000. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. Just give me a second. I wanted to do the daily recap video. So let me go to YouTube Studio and let me check this out. Upload a video. Hold on, I'll be with you guys just a second. I just want to upload this video. It's gonna be the daily recap. Nothing special. Nothing special, but I want to document. I want this to be a documentary, you know, guys. To be transparent as much as I can be. Not fully transparent because, you know, everybody needs some secrets. But no, nothing major secret here. Okay. That's fine. I'm gonna copy some tags as well. Almost ready. Almost ready. Great. Refreshing tags. Nice. I'm gonna put it to the main videos. What else we have? Okay. Next trade. Next trade. Next trade. No. Not next trade. And it takes 22 minutes, so we are on the 23rd. I'm gonna publish it. It needs 20 minutes to render. So on YouTube, so it makes us 10 minutes. All right, so it's gonna be available then. Okay, schedule. Okay, I scheduled it. Okay, I just scheduled the video. There you go. I just scheduled it. Tom, should we all give ideas for a sheet to follow, kind of like rules maybe? Yeah, I think it would be a great idea. You had a good tip earlier about once you make money. Well, yeah, definitely. That's what I did actually. So I made the trade, and that's what I'm doing this since a year or something. If I make a good trade on Friday, the first trade, I'm just walking away. That, I mean, not literally walking away, because sometimes I stay and trade the demo account or a play account. But it's good because you can still forward test your strategy, your entry models. So it's still a good thing. It seems like I'm gonna get screwed with this personalized guarantee. Now I see everybody from Methodical Man stream is gonna come at me, and you know, they're gonna want the monopoly money, which I promised them. So yeah, we should be doing. I think we should be doing a sheet for, you know, some check marks about. Some check marks we should do for a sheet. That's actually a good idea. Guys, what can I tell? Look at the Russell. What happened here? Actually, this was also not here, but here there was an entry on my entry model right here. Let me check it on the MetaTrader as well, but there was an entry here. Right there. Let me check it. Well, yeah, it was a little bit, but yeah, it was an entry. It was an entry. So if we would have taken an entry here, for example, there, I would have taken my stop somewhere, maybe there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I would be at TP2, so I missed the trade there on the Russell, but today I was not trading the Russell. Oops. All right, guys, I think that's gonna cut it. We had a great week. I just uploaded my daily recap. It was only a 2-minute video, but it's still good. Thank you so much for spending the week with me. I'm gonna be coming with new edited content maybe over the weekend, maybe Sunday night or until Monday. Please grab your links, grab your accounts, check my links out and the codes, because the sale is going to end on Saturday. So stash yourself up with some accounts if you can. Check out the discount codes. It gives a few dollars to the tip jar that I can use for a good cause. So thank you so much for that. And I'm very, very grateful for everyone. I really, from the bottom of my heart, if you were using my code and my affiliate links, it's amazing. You guys are helping me out with this. So consider to join my Discord. It's $10 a month, and also I have a course at pip.ninja. Check it out, my exact entry model. And have an awesome weekend, guys, and see you on the streams. All right, so have a good one, and it was my pleasure being here with you. Cheers, everyone.